In the latest development, the medicine Coldrif has now been banned in Karnataka, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, with 8 states now banning the cough syrup. The Union Health Ministry held an emergency high-level meeting with health secretaries and drug control officials from all states and union territories. That's in the wake of multiple child deaths linked to contaminated cough syrup. The review followed the deaths of at least 14 children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and that's after consuming a locally made cough syrup branded Coldrif, which was found to contain the toxic chemical diethylene glycol. States were also exhorted to ensure rational prescribing of cough syrups, particularly among children, pointing out that most childhood coughs are self-limiting and they do not require treatment. Well, let's also now take you through the Health Ministry advisory which has come. Number one, it is the rationalized use of cough syrup. That's a point number one, which the Health and Family Welfare has come out with. Number two, cough medicines have minimal proven benefits. That is when it comes to children. Moving on, most coughs in kids are self-limiting. Apart from this, the other advisory issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is that coughs in kids don't need pharma treatment, and also to avoid combination drugs to prevent side effects. And well, these are some of the latest pointers issued by the Health Ministry.